Let's look at Kindle Scribe 2025 screen under the microscope and compare it to Kindle 2022 screen under the microscope. Let's get started. Boom. Okay. Let's focus on the microscope. I don't know if you can see, but you can even see the pattern of the screen. I guess it's the layer that's responsible for EMR, those little rhombuses. And the screen is pretty clear, sharp. I'll take a picture of this. And I can take a picture of this as well. This is a very small font. Now let's move on to Kindle Scribe 2022. As you can see, you can't see the EMR grid, no rhombuses, and the screen is not as sharp. There's more distortion, and that's because Kindle Scribe 2022 has a surface on top that is more rough, is more scratchy. You pay for the more scratchy feeling, which gives you a better writing experience with less clarity on the screen. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more. You see this A is very distorted. Here as well. Go back here to Scribe 2022. This is very clear. And here as well. I think this little A is the best example. Clear, not so clear. That's it. Thanks for watching.